Hello and welcome to That's the Point, where we talk about all kinds of workflows and best practices within the space of construction positioning and technology. My name is Corey Meyer, and here today is my esteemed colleague Jeremy Horn. What's up, man?
Hey, how's it going?
You're back again, so that means we're probably doing something in FieldLink, and today we're actually going to be talking about the oft-requested topic of round tripping, and so round tripping our data. And so let's get started into this. So first of all, we need to define round tripping, which is something that's been around, talked about in the industry forever, but it seems like only in the last several years have we really been able to hone this down to something that is really a significant value add for syncing data between the office and the field. So the idea of round tripping involves taking data from the office, so design data, stuff that we're generating from the design team, from production, moving that over to the field side to actually be able to be laid out. Then we take that field data that we capture, the actual recordings and measurements, and we shoot those back to the office to be able to further evaluate them, to store them for reliability and for oversight, for QA/QC, all those steps. And it's really that seamless process. And that's what we're going to cover today, because with Trimble Connect, you actually do have the ability to round trip your data finally.
Yeah, and directly on the tablet. So, we've always had a tablet that's controlling our instruments and doing layout. And going back, though, traditionally the main way you're getting data to that is a physical USB drive that you're plugging in. And then you're usually getting that, someone's handing it off to you, or you're getting it in an email, putting it in from your computer onto there. So the ability now to, straight from the tablet, tap into Connect, me being in the office, put something in, Connect, you see it almost in real time immediately, and then give me something right back is, it's a big deal.
All right, so we're going to do that today. And so we are today talking about layout. So we will have a later one on scanning to talk about round tripping for scanning workflows, for wet pours, stuff like that, for wet scans. But what we want to do today is specifically talk about the layout process. And so you're going to be the office guy. So you're sitting in the nice, comfortable, cushy office in the air conditioning. I am sweating it out in here on the project. So I've just got a T100. So we're going to sync the data between your office computer and this field tablet. And so we're going to jump in and do that right now.
Yep. So if you see my screen here, I'm in Trimble Connect. And I've got a project here called TTP. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up.
And so if you need help with those projects, we did create a video previously. Just click on this link right down here below, and it'll take you to that video on how to create and share a project in Trimble Connect. It's really simple, but we've already done that step, so now we're going to jump right into it.
Yep. So this project I've already shared with you. So now anything that I dump into this project folder, as soon as that's done, you're going to be able to open up that project folder on your tablet and pull out anything that I've put in. So I'm simply going to go right here to add file. I have a USB drive plugged in with our drawing right here. So I'm going to go ahead and just upload that. Boom, it's done. So now I have that in the Trimble Connect TTP project. And if we just view here real quick, we'll see here is the drawing that I just put in. So now on your side, it's ready to access. So once you open it up, you'll be able to pull that folder into your project.
Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go over to More, and then I'm just going to go over and I'm going to manage my projects. So I'm going to click on Projects, and it's a drawing, so I'm going to import it. So I'm going to tap on Import. And now we're going to use over on the left-hand side, instead of using the little screen icon, we're going to actually use the cloud icon. So we're going to tap on Cloud. That's going to go into Trimble Connect. We see our TTP folder there. And there's the BPFL Office file that you just uploaded. And I'm just going to tap Import. And it's going to bring in the file, generate the geometry, and prepare it for use. So we can go in and we can look at that by just tapping on the map. We can see that the layout file and the design file is there. And so what we can do as a next step now is to take the next phase of this, which is the leg back, right? So now we'll simulate that we're going to create some points, and then we're going to send those back to the office. So I'm just going to go over to Create, and I'm going to create some points from the model. So I'm going to tap on Model. I'm just going to zoom in here right on the building edge here. And we're just going to do some endpoints, and we'll just create a couple points just so we can bring that data across, and we'll create those 7 points. Tap Create. We've done the work. We've done the layout. So then we go back to More, and we go to Projects, and we're going to go to Manage. And then we're going to go back to the cloud, and we're just going to Save As. And instead of using the destination as being local, we're going to select Trimble Connect. We're going to use that same TTP name, and we're going to click Save. And there it goes. It's now pushing that data immediately back to Connect for you to be able to grab in the office.
Yep, correct. So back here in my project, so all I have to do, we'll just hit refresh here. And now we'll see, boom, there's your layout. Just pop right into under points
There it
folder.
is.
So we're going to click on this and go ahead and hit view. So there is the points that you created. And we'll go ahead and turn our model back on as well. And now we can see the points.
And the amazing thing is, like, this is running in Connect on the desktop, but you could also use a mobile device, or, I mean, there's tons of ways that you can view this and just to even do simple QA/QC right there from your phone.
Yep, absolutely.
So, man, so that's it. So that is round tripping with Trimble Connect in your layout workflow. You can quickly and easily ensure that you're working with the most up-to-date data, and you can drastically reduce the amount of thumb drives and other storage platforms, all this back and forth that we have on the construction site. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button so you're notified of the latest tips, tricks, and pointers that we post here at That's the Point. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.